Okay, so I wanted to give a 6 month update on this amazing vacuum mop. Now, let me set the scene for you. I have hardwood floors throughout most of my house, an area rug in the living room, a dog who treats both like his personal mud space, and a toddler who considers juice boxes a form of abstract art. I also have a husband who somehow tracks in things I cannot identify. Every single day is a crime scene. I have tried every mop, vacuum, every revolutionary cleaning system that promises to change my life. Most of them just add another step and another thing to clean. So, when I say that this Shark HydroVac MessMaster actually delivered, understand that I am not easily impressed. This machine does three things at once: it vacuums, mops, and cleans. It self cleans all in one single pass. I genuinely did not believe that this was possible without one of those functions being mediocre. I was wrong on all three counts. The suction picks up dry debris, pet hair, crumbs like a proper vacuum, right? Then the hydro mopping system pulls in wet messes, stains, and grime at the same time. And check this out, the continuous self cleaning system actively prevents the dirty water from being spread back across your floor as you go, which, by the way, is exactly what every cheap mop I have ever owned was guilty of. You know the feeling of mopping and realizing you're just pushing dirt water in circles? Gone. Done. Never again. The stain boost mode is where this thing genuinely is exciting, or as exciting as Flora's cleaning gets, which in my house is very exciting. It delivers double the cleaning solution compared to normal mode, and I have tested it on some truly impressive messes like you have seen here. Dog paw prints after a rainy walk, gone. A dry juice spill I may have procrastinated on for longer than I'd like to admit, gone. A mystery stain near the kitchen that I had accepted as a permanent fixture of my home, also gone. I actually cheered out loud. My dog looked concerned at me, like, what is going on with this crazy lady? The rinse cycle on the dock is one of those features that sounds like a small convenience until you realize what it actually means. You never put away a dirty machine. Every time you dock it, it cleans itself out so it's fresh and ready for the next use. No lingering funk, no buildup in the brush roll, no dreading what's growing dirty water tank overnight. The debris filtration technology separates solids from liquids in the dirty water tank too. So emptying it is quick and genuinely not gross. As someone who has gagged cleaning out of traditional mop back buckets, I appreciate this more than I can express. Now, for pet owner people, the odor neutralizing technology is the cleaning solution that is real and it works. My living room rug used to have that subtle, yes, a dog lives here kind of smell undertone that no amount of candles could cover. But after running the HydroVac over it, that smell was gone and stayed gone. This vacuum mop is amazing. I highly recommend it.